everyone. Now today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be making some sandwiches, and I was thinking, oh, what kind could I make? And I know that lots of you have been creating rainbows to go in your windows to support our essential workers. So I thought, why don't we make rainbow sandwiches? So I had a look in my fridge to see how many different colours I could find, how many different colours of fruits and vegetables and foods I could find, and I'm going to have a go at making a rainbow sandwich today. Now the first one I'm going to make is I'm going to make one using a wrap, a round flat bread, but you can use any kind of bread you like to make your sandwich. I'm going to make a different one next. Then I'm going to put some hummus on. Now this is hummus I made myself. I sent the recipe home in children's activity packs, but I think it's also on Facebook if you want to find out how to make hummus yourself. So I'm going to smear that all over my flatbread. And I'm thinking, what colour shall I have next? What about some orange? I've got some grated carrot in here. Let's put some orange on. What colour is going to be next? How about some purple cabbage? Have you ever tried that before? Might like to try that in a sandwich. I love it. It's lovely, crunchy vegetable. What else can we have? Do you know what I'm going to use? I'm going to use some of the lettuce I grew from the lettuce that I cut off a few weeks ago. I've grown it in this little pot. I'm going to use some of that lettuce today. I've washed it already. I've washed everything I'm using. So let's put some of these lettuce leaves on. Some green lettuce. So I've got orange and purple and green. What colour's going to be next? How about some yellow peppers? Slice those up. So let's put some of those in. And I've got some red ones too. Red peppers. I know lots of children like peppers at school because they're so nice and crunchy. And in here, I've got a little bit of leftover avocado that I had for my breakfast. So I think I might put some of that on as well, a bit more green. Let's spread that on. So I've got so many different colours in here. I'm going to roll it up now to make my sandwich. Let's see if I can roll it. Should we see how many different colours I've used? I'm going to cut it in half so you can see. Oh. Shall we have a look? Can't really see the yellow one in there. Got all the different colours inside. Oh, there it is. There's the yellow pepper. I've got yellow pepper, red pepper, green lettuce, orange, carrots and purple lettuce. I've got 5 different colours. How many colours can you make in your sandwich? That's one kind of sandwich. Now I'm going to try another one. I know lots of you like cheese, so I'm going to put cheese in this one. I'm going to grate my cheese to go in my sandwich. Let's grate the cheese. And do you know what else I'm going to grate to go with my cheese? A lovely crunchy fruit. It's got green and yellow, green and red on it. I'm going to put this apple. I'm going to grate the apple to go with my cheese. Cheese and apple. They're really good together. Oh, Callie can hear. He's coming in for the apple core. He loves the apple core. So here we are. Cheese and apple. I'm going to use this bread this time. Got this bread which has got lots and lots of seeds in it, which I love, makes it taste really nice. You might like to have a try at some different breads. You can use any breads you like. You can use pita bread, you can use rolls, you can use chapatis, you can use bagels, whatever kind of bread you like. I'm going to put some mayonnaise in this one. A little bit of mayonnaise, so it all sticks together. Should we put some of that in? Some mayonnaise. And then I'm going to put some of this in. This is mango chutney. This is mango chutney. Have you ever had mango chutney before? It's made out of mangoes. It's nice and orange. Look, can you see? I'm going to put some of that in as well. It's kind of sweet, a little bit spicy. You might have some chutneys that you can use made out of fruit and vegetables. Then I'm going to put my apple and cheese mixture. This is going to taste so good. Let's see what other colours we can get in, shall we? Shall we put some of that cabbage in, that purple cabbage? I've got orange mango, purple cabbage. you think of anything else that is green? How about a cucumber? Now I know this goes from the snack table at Sherwood very quickly. So I know lots of you like this. So I'm going to put some of that in my sandwich. This is going to be such a colourful rainbow sandwich, isn't it, when it's done? And then I'm going to put something red and juicy. I'm going to put some tomatoes. I've got some sliced tomatoes here I'm going to put in as well. Do you like tomatoes? It's one of my favourite things to go in a sandwich. I'm going to put those in. It's going to be so delicious. Is that everything I've got in there? Yes. Oh, do you know we haven't got any yellow? Should we put those yellow peppers in? I've got a few of those left over. It's good fun making different sandwiches. You can have everything ready in your fridge, and then every time you want to make a sandwich for lunch, you can go and see what combination you would like. So let's cut it. Oh, look at all those colours in my sandwich. Multicoloured rainbow sandwich. What are you going to put in your sandwich? What do you like? Can you make a rainbow sandwich? If you want some ideas, there's some recipes for sandwiches on Facebook that I've put up. So have a look, get some ideas of different things you might try in a sandwich to make it more interesting.